ethyl. And after that, we have done, to get some idea from here, we have done some phosphorus functionalized calixarin by using the duodene, where we have used the two proximal OH to convert that one to phosphide. So what we have done basically here, this is the monophosphide we have synthesized. Here you can see this is the 4 conformation, what I have already mentioned, and this conformation, with the help of this conformation, we have done this reaction where we have used 2,6-dicarboxybutyl phenol, 4-methyl phenol 2 by using the proximal OH, means the 2 OH which are close, which are coming from the phenolic OH. So that's why we have done this monophosphide. And this monophosphide, I'm sorry, because who are sitting in back side, they cannot clearly see this spectrum. But here I am telling that this phosphorus NMR that is showing this phosphorus, and the interesting thing is that of this monophosphide to characterize, if you will see the methylene bridge which is responsible to connect 4-phenyl ring. So there is 2 methylene proton, and among these 2 methylene proton, you can see that one is towards the cavity and another is away from the cavity. So if these two protons are there, they are magnetically different, and if they are magnetically different, they can couple to each other. And this coupling, the spectrum, what you can see here, all the couplets are coming. This is the indication of the conformation. So here you can see, you must have read in your NMR, there is AX spectrum, AB spectrum. So by seeing the position of the atom, A is the first alphabetic, and X is far away. So AX type spectrum. Here also we are getting AX type spectrum. The chemical difference is much more in these days. So that's why this conformation we are seeing the different conformation. Similarly, so what is the basic for this? Here the ortho position, this is tertiary group, and here the ortho position is tertiary group. So there should be some steric factor which is responsible to bend the molecule in a conformation, and that is Hooke conformation. Now the question is that if we can tune this position with the help of less sterically bulky group, then what will happen? So from getting the idea with that, so what we have done here, we have changed the ortho position by isopropyl group, and there we can see the tertiary butyl group which was seen previously, there was more steric crowding, so that was stopping the annulus rotation which is responsible for other conformation. But here, as we are decreasing the ortho position, steric crowding, so immediately the molecule is coming in different position. So in this case, by seeing the picture, you can see one of the phenyl ring that has reversed with respect to other 3 phenyl rings, and that is showing that the conformation is totally different. And also, I am very much sorry that the backside students, they are not clearly see this spectrum, but you can see that this spectrum where these 2 protons, they are coming as a AB quantity. Why that is happening like this? That is happening because